Carla Oglesby, an attorney with Lavin Law Group. Clients often inquire about a guardianship, oftentimes for an elderly parent who may have dementia or Alzheimer's disease. So the guardianship process is overseen by the probate court of the county in which the person resides. What the probate court is looking for in deciding first whether a guardian needs to be appointed is the elderly person deemed incompetent? And they will be interviewed by court personnel. So there is going to be some type of inquiry about their competency. One of the other things the court will look at is, are there other measures in place that would allow family members to take care of that person? So those things are powers of attorney, both financial and health care. So if a valid power of attorney exists and was signed by the elderly person, then oftentimes there's no need for a guardianship. Those powers of attorney are legal documents that the person signed appointing and authorizing a loved one or trusted person to manage both healthcare decisions and also to manage their finances. So if those folks are already in place, there's no need for the court to appoint a guardian. The final thing to keep in mind is that anyone can apply to be the guardian of an incompetent person. So if the court has established the need for a guardianship, anyone can apply, but the court is not obligated to select the person who applied. So oftentimes in families when there's a disagreement, one of the children will apply and believe that they're automatically going to be selected as the guardian because they're the person who applies. The court is going to do its own assessment of who would be the best guardian for that incompetent person. It may not be any of the family members, and the court may decide to select an attorney or some other objective person to serve as guardian, but there will be an inquiry about that. And at the end of the day, the court is going to decide what is in the best interest of the incompetent person and who is going to be the best guardian, regardless of who made the application. So it's really important for folks to have those powers of attorney in place so that their wishes will be honored and it's not left up to the court to decide who's going to take care of them.